Hello everyone, you're welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to look at solutions to questions on what problems with fractions. So that's what I want to look at in this video. So the first question we have here: a student spent 4/5 of his pocket money to buy books. What fraction of his money has he left? So what we're going to do here is we assume that he has a whole which is 1, then he spent 4/5, that is minus 4/5. So the fraction of his money is going to have left will be anytime you are subtracting a fraction from 1, you just subtract 5, the denominator from the numerator. That means 5 minus 4 all over the denominator is 5. So that gives us 1 over what? 5. Or you can as well have it 1 over 1 minus 4/5. You find the LCM, which is 5. 1 in 5 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5 minus 4. 5 times 5 in 5, 1. 1 times 4 is 4. So that gives us 1 over 5. And that is option D. I hope that is clear. So question 2. Question 2. So add the square. So we have to be very careful with this question. Add the square of 9. Square of 9. That is 9 square plus to the product of the square root of 25, so that is square root of 25 times 4, then divide the result by the square root of 100. So that is 81 plus 5 times 4, everything divided by 1. Square root of 100 is what? 10. So that we're going to have 81 plus 20 all over 10. So which is 101 over what? 10. So that gives 10.1. 10.1, that is option A. I hope that is clear. So question 3. Question 3. Find 4/5 4/5 of the difference of, that is times, the difference between the product of 0.25 times 128 minus difference between 32.8 minus 25.8. You have to be very careful with this one as well. So because we want to find 4/5 of the difference between what? Between the product of 0.25 and 120. That is, you multiply this and the difference. So the difference between this and this, we want to find their difference. So that's we're going to have 4/5. So we'll find this 0.25 times 128 times 128. That gives 32. So that is 32 minus. So we'll find this one too. So 32.8 minus 25.8. 25.8. So this gives us 7. Alright, so that means you have 4/5. So 32 minus 7 gives 25 times 25. So 5 here, 1, 5 here, 5. So that gives 20. So the answer is C. Now this is clear. So let's go to number 4. Question 4 now. Question 4. We have divide the square root of 81. Square root of 81 divided by the difference between the product of this and this of minus 1, the difference between the product of minus 1 times minus 3, that's the product. Difference, the square root of 4. Square root of 4. So this will be 9 all over 3 minus 2. So that means 9 all over 1. That means the answer is equal to what? 9. That is option D. And question 5. A market woman had 90 yams. She sold 2 over 3 of it. How many yams did she sell? So she sold 2 over 3 of the 90 yams she has. That's 2 over 3 times 90. That's what it means. 3 here 1, 3 here 30. So that's going to give us 60. So which means that she sold 60 yams. And that is option C. Then number 6. Question 6. In a class of 40 students, 1 over 4 are doing science. That means science S is 1 over 4 subjects. 1 over 5 are doing arts. So that is arts is 1 over 5. And the remaining are doing commercial subjects. How many students are science? So 1 over 4 and 1 over 4 are doing science. That's 1 over 4 of 40. So that means 1 over 4, that is times 40, which is going to be what? 10 students. So the answer is B there. Then question 7 is continuation of question 6. So how many students are commercial? So what we're going to do, we add 1 over 4 plus 1 over 5 together. So this will give us, this is 20, that is 5 plus 4, right? So that will give us 9 over 20. So for the two subjects, so the remaining will be for commercial. So commercial then, C will then be what? 1 minus 9 over 20. So this will give us 11 over what? 20. So we want to get the number, so we multiply by 40. 0 cancel 0. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. That gives us what? 22. Number 7. That is 22, option A. Then we'll go to question 8 now. Alright. Question 8. Number 8. So a student bought 8 liters of palm oil and he used 2 whole number 1 over 4 liters of it. So how much oil is left? That's going to be 8 minus 2 whole number 1 all over 4. So which is same thing as 8 over 1 minus 9 all over what? 4. So we'll find the LCM, which is 4. Alright. So 1 in 4 is 4. 4 times 8 is 32. Minus 4 in 4, 1. Times 9 is 9. So when you subtract, we have 23 all over 4. So check it, that will be 5 whole number 3 all over 4. And that is 5 whole number 3 over 4. That's option D. That's option D. Alright, so question 9. Question 9. We have 3 over 5 of a wine is 30 centimeters. Of a wire rather, sorry. How long is the wire? So that is 3 over 5 of a wire is equal to 30 centimeters. So that means 3W over 5, 3 wire over 5 equals to 30. So we'll cross multiply here. That means 3W equals to 30 times 5. Divide both sides by 3. 3 cancel 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 3. So 10 times 5, that is 50 centimeters. And that is option A. And the last question here, question 10. Now, so what is 1 over 5 of the wire? So the wire is 50 centimeters. That is 1 over 5 of the wire times 50. So 5 here and 5 here, that is 10. Select the 10 centimeters, option D. So this is where we're going to stop. I hope this is very clear. So we'll meet in our next video. Bye for now.